Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Zizah Play. Today, we will be making a train crash. I always tell the truth, but this moment I am very uncomfortable, but I am speechless because the freight train is waiting in the siding to let the goods train pass, but the driver and the conductor and the brakeman are in the caboose. But the train is coming, and it applied the brakes, but it was too late. The train hit the caboose of the train. It was waiting at the red signal, and now it crashed into the caboose of the goods train. Did you like those train crashes? Talk to me about it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one. Bye!